Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. This red wire down here has power on it at all times, even while cranking. White relay socket just to the right of the green socket. The lower center pin has power on it when the car is in run, but not while it's cranking. Up here in this white relay socket, the center pin on the right has power at all times, even while you're cranking. This brown wire with the orange stripe has power in accessory and run, but it does not have power when you're cranking. This pink wire here has power when you turn the headlight switch on. Working with the glow shift gauges, I put the red to the switched power. Anytime the ignition is in accessory or run, that red will have constant power. That power goes out when I'm holding down start. The white wire is hooked up to the headlight. They got a orange wire from the gauge going to that. The yellow wire is constant power, all times 24/7. So that's how I have these hooked up. I'm gonna run the gauge grounds off of this screw up here. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.